the rest of it's clover.
Hi guys.
Hi, do you mind if we record at all? We put it on YouTube for like training and stuff like that. If you don't want to be on it, just let me know and we can delete you right out of it.
Yeah, just not me.
Okay.
Looking a little crazy these days.
Oh, that's fine. Alrighty, let's see what we
Don't
have.
mind, we're actually moving and we close on this one tomorrow.
Ah.
And then, yeah, I know, right? Go figure the day before. And then we like...
So whenever they use their toilet and flush up here, it backs up out her... You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, I had you running up and down the stairs.
Oh my, I need the workout, trust me.
I do.
I need the workout.
It comes up out of here, Scott.
Yeah.
Full wrap around the perimeter too, which means that there has to be...
We took it out before. Plastic.
Yeah. So since you've lived here, has this happened before?
No. We've been here 5 years.
And it's never happened?
Not that I can recall.
All right. It's definitely happened before at some point because this cap here, that's not original.
Okay.
That's going into a cast collar. It's plastic that they put in.
Right. So that's definitely not original to the house. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we can drain this down slowly, and then we'll just, once we get it draining, we can, do you want to do it from in there at that clean out? Because that's where we're going to snake it from anyways.
Yeah.
All right, so let us get set up. We'll do that.
If you need anything.
Yeah, sure. So we'll do that. We'll get it draining down, and then we'll bring it in and snake everything out and go from there. Okay? Thank you. Alrighty, so go out and get the tool bucket. And I'll figure out an angle. Oh, we should have her put the dog in a room or something so that we can go in and out freely. Because would it be easier to go through that door or through the back?
What's that?
Would it be easier to go through the back? Is there a room or something that we could put him in case we have to go through the back? Or just because I don't want him getting out on you.
Oh, yeah, that'd be best for him. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we can go right through here. Yeah, if we can stick him, just leave him out running around out in the back. Unless you want him in a cooler area.
Yeah, here, hold on. Here, just so he doesn't get too hot. Come here.
Yeah. I just thought about it and I was like, oh no, the thing wasn't down here.
Huh?
The thing wasn't down here.
That
What? No, well, I grabbed it anyways. Might help with something, you never know. Could only be a 5-gallon issue that you have.
All right. Steady yet. Looking.
Here, the flashlight's right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a belly issue. Yeah, it's right there.
Let's get a half. Get the half cap, leave that barrel right there.
Yeah.
Half cap, leave the barrel, and get the canine.
Yeah. Stir it up. See you later. Thank God. I was like, oh, that's a lot of water. Where's the half cap at the 380?
It should be in the passenger side, in the long cabinet,
Yeah.
closest to the back.
All right.
We have that big rubber one out there
Yeah,
too.
that's 6-inch though, but it would probably.
It would go right over the hub.
Yeah.
That's what we've done before.
Still
No, it wasn't. I tried to take it off. It wasn't loose enough for me when I tried to do it earlier. Get a yummy picture on there. There you go. Look at that.
Trying to find out right there. That's where this one starts. Come on. It's gonna hold.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be
Right.
perfect. It's
Yeah,
just
it's gonna hold. We're just gonna have to do this.
it's just gonna, we just gotta do it to protect it, so.
Yeah, give us a whirl.
Hey, well, you got the foot pedal.
Yeah. Is it going the right way?
Pull back.
There's nothing on here. Ready?
Yep. Oh, you got me.
Sorry.
You need water?
Yeah, I think so.
I can't let this go. It's gonna spin.
I'm hitting something, huh? I'm hitting something. What were you saying?
I said I was running it in the set tub and then I realized that it's on a thing.
Yeah. I'm hitting something good in there.
Well, you still got a big chunk over here, so you're
Yeah, I know, but I'm sitting something further out, so I don't know if it's gonna clear out,
I have to,
you know?
as long as we can get the water draining down so that we can run water at the same time.
Yeah. You can put this on this too, you know?
Well, first I have to untangle this.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want, I thought you were gonna give me a hose so I could run it down this end.
No. Are we pulling back? You don't have to have it on to pull back.
No, it's,
What do you want me
pull
to feel
back.
what you're hitting?
Let's just pull it back once. I want to see what's on the head. 'Cause I was going, and all of a sudden I was pushing real hard, and it wasn't binding up, but it wasn't going any further. So let's see what's on the head.
You could have been at the city connection. With as far out as you could.
Yeah.
Because we're not that far from the... But there are a lot of patches in the street.
Yeah, look at roots. Okay, I'll explain some of it. Oops.
Alright, so...
Sorry.
Where we pulled out that ball of root, it's probably
What?
Let's get it, see if we can get them draining first. You're gonna have to work right at that Y a little bit unless you want me to do it.
Can you see in there? Yeah, but I don't want this to drain out yet until I make sure it got someplace to go so it can empty out. Let's see if we can get out a little bit further first. You know what I mean? I'd rather do that. That let's go. Still not gonna come out here. Bad, you know. So we can make a scene about it right there and let it strip out. Taking it now. Go back a little bit. Right there. Alright, go forward. Let it drain out. Nice.
This thing died.
You could hear the pressure.
Yeah.
You know, like if it sucking, it started sucking on the thing, and like it started taking it with it, and I could. I got through the other side. Bent up all the roots.
It died.
Didn't you charge it on the way here?
No, I charged that.
Oh, the other one, this one.
The more important one.
So pull back out, do you think? Or you just want to look in there first?
Yeah.
Earwigs. Get like moisture.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of back here, like it's
Oh,
hitting
probably
the cap
flush,
or whatever,
yeah.
but alright, so I'm gonna recommend the camera to her after you pull this back.
Well, we know there's roots. So you're gonna,
Yeah, I'm gonna have you put the oh no, I should be able to flush upstairs a couple
Right.
times first. I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna flush a couple times
Yeah.
and make sure it goes down.
yeah.
And then, oh yeah, we can make sure that it's draining 100%, and then see from there.
Yeah, a little bit more root.
Was that root or hair?
Root. It was root.
Looking there, everybody. Nice and clean and draining. Alright, I'm gonna set you back up here for now. So you can watch me put the cap back on. Stop the water and save the GoPro. Good, that'll test this cap too. You're all set. Do you mind if I put this underneath the sink?
No, not at all.
I mean, they actually have an issue with the.
Yeah, don't mind my
Oh, you're
trying
bags.
to do hack today.
But everything's draining down there fine. So we
Thank
did.
you so much for being so prompt.
Oh, no problem. We did empty out that barrel.
Okay.
You might just want to rinse a copy so that they have the date and stuff before it was lost. All right.
You're the best. What was her name?
Shelly.
Shelly. Thank you so much, Shelly.
No
You're the best
problem.
ever.
If you want a copy of the video that we did for doing all the work and stuff, I can send you the link in an email, or you can go on YouTube.
Yeah, do you have like a little channel?
Yeah, it's under Drain Addict.
Drain Addict.
So just look up Drain Addict and you'll see all of our past videos.
That's so awesome. Yeah.
So
That's so smart to do.
it kind of gives the people like a first impression without actually having to do
Yes.
tests first. So then they're like, instead of just reading the Google
Yeah.
reviews, they can see.
It totally
that.
differentiates you. Yeah. You know what I mean? And,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
people.
That's what we're hoping to do anyways.
Yeah. No, your reviews say it all too, girl. That's what I look at. Thank you
Alrighty.
again, Shelly.
No problem.